Hi students, welcome to our channel. In this session, we see lists versus NumPy, how NumPy is faster than lists with one example. If we see, so both NumPy and lists seems to be same. So lists also we are using like a arrays. But so what is the difference between NumPy and list is execution speed. So let us see clearly the execution speed between list and NumPy. So this is the program. So consider this program. In this program, I declare two lists, list 1, list 2. So list 1 equals to here the values 0 to 9. So that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In list 2 also same 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now here I took one list called result. In this result, I want to store addition of these two numbers 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 6 and so on. Now, so let us execute the program once. Now this is the output. Here, so this is the list 1. Here, so this is the list 1. So this is the list 2. So this is the result list. Okay. So now, so this is the time taken to compute this addition of these lists L1 plus L2. What is the time taken here? For 10 numbers takes 0.00009 seconds. Now here I declared only 10 numbers with lists. Let us change the number. Here I want to give 1 crore. Okay. Removing these print statements here. So let us execute the program. Okay. So now it took 0.67 seconds. Okay. Now I increase the size here to 10 crores. So now yes, here the time is 7.84. So write down this time. Here we execute this program with the help of list. Now same program we write with the NumPy also. So this is the same program we write with the help of NumPy. Now here we use NumPy package. We import the NumPy package. Here these are the two arrays ARR1 and ARR2, and I store the result in result array. So let us compute the time. Okay, here the time is 0.20. So previously it is 7.5 seconds. Now it is 0.2 seconds. Same program we execute with the help of NumPy. So based on this, we can conclude that the NumPy are faster than lists.